Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in // Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this completely free app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, you need to click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!